All right, so I just want to go over some things before you start doing your multiple choice. So I'm showing you guys, I'll show you guys too. It's in my Canvas. It's not like I'm doing anything secret, but I'm gonna go over the thing that I printed off for you. Um, that first thing in Canvas is obviously from Miss Hoover. It's not important anymore. So your formulas and your tables are in there. You will get those. I don't have a little thing plugged in. Sorry, y'all. You'll get those with your stats exam. And so I know some of you were freaking about it, what they look like or whatever. And I'm going to show you exactly what you can do. All right, so I showed you those formulas, and like I said, you'll get those. Now, if you're not sure what they are, I'll show you what I've done in your Canvas so that you can see those. The next thing is going to be all of your tables, A, B, and C that you've used. Technically, you probably don't need to use them, but they're there in case you do. Okay. You might want to go back and look over some of those and how to do those by hand. So this is a link that I put in for you guys, and it's stattrek.com, and it goes over your formulas. So it shows the formula that's on the paper. And then when you click the link, wait a minute. Sorry. I don't even know what it does. It'll show you how to use it. Okay, so the mean and the median, whatever, and how to use that formula. So if you guys are not sure what the formulas are when you would use them, it will show you. Got it? So that gives you a list instead of me sitting here just bombarding you with it. Same thing with anything else, and it goes through literally every formula that you have on that sheet. Okay. Yes. Yes. So if you know, like if you already knew the mean and you know how to find the mean, I wouldn't watch that video. But if there's another formula that you're like, I'm not real sure where this one comes from, they'll show you exactly how to do it. And then I put in the Fiveable link so that you guys can go in there. And the next thing that's in, I'm gonna open it for just a second and then I'll go back to this Fiveable. I gave you guys this chart. Those of you sitting in here, I gave you the chart.
The APUS exam cramped and crashed like halfway through. I'm gonna be mad if this one goes through.
It probably won't because it'll be on a Sunday, so not many people are going to be. But anyway, I can't make it. Sorry, it's not responding, whatever. I gave you guys this chart. I guess I could do it in here and it'll work. So you can see it, download it, whatever, and there it goes. So it tells you what you need for each unit. And you guys are doing that. These units match with the AP Classroom units that you were doing. So it does not match with book units. So don't try to do that, but it does match with your AP Classroom. So everything that you've done in AP Classroom, once you finish all of your multiple choice, is on this cram sheet. Does that make sense? So I would look at this and make sure that you know what you're doing. Does everybody understand that? So take a look at this cram sheet and make sure that you're good to go. If you know what's on this cram sheet, you should be good to go, or at least half of it. You will be fine. Let me go back the other way. Sorry. Y'all don't need to know that. I already had it open right here. So if you have not seen the Fiveable website, I just wanted to show you guys. They have some stuff over here. The 2021 AP exam guides just tell you what's on it. It's the same thing basically as the cram sheet, and that cram sheet came from there. So you guys will see that. This cram center is where you need to go. And there's the cram shop or whatever. So you can do that 5-hour finale. And I think it's only $5. So last year it was $5. I would do it. And even if you don't watch the whole 5 hours, whatever you get out of it is going to help you out. Okay. And again, like I said, the ones that watched it last year, and it was a 3-hour last year for 3 questions on the test. Okay. So they had a weird open book, whatever. That cram session, they said there were questions almost identical to the ones on the test. So if you're freaking out a little bit and you want to definitely see it, do that. Let's see what else. Virtual studying, I don't even know what that is. Where is? I just went to browse subjects and came in here. So there's a cheat sheet cram chart. That's what you guys have. There are trivias, lessons for each unit. So if you go through and you're like, I wasn't really good at unit 1 for my progress checks, like I didn't do very well, you might want to go back and look at one of those. Does that make sense? Does everybody understand that? They also have some released versions of your free response. So it might be good to look at that. All right. Do y'all have any questions? This is just a really good website. So please make sure you take a look at it. If you're really serious about passing this exam, this is a great place to be. All right. Does anybody have any questions? All right, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you, and I wanted to make sure I got all of that in and previewed it for you guys that are taking the AP exam tomorrow, and you won't be in here. Okay. If you have any questions tomorrow or even over the weekend, I will try to get back to you. Just let me know, and I will do the best that I can. Otherwise, those of you taking the AP exam, good luck on Monday. If you're going to be in here, we're going to work on our free, not our free response, but our multiple choice. And if you need help or need anything, just let me know. Is everybody good? All right. Zoomers, I have you, so you are good to go whenever you want to. Everybody else, go ahead and work on that multiple choice. Is anybody on the track team? Track? No, no track.
I honestly don't work
Track.
on
You shouldn't be.
It affects my grade though.
You shouldn't be.